Now, yes, again, one more early checkmate, 1 for 3 points. So total 4 games he played Durga Prasad on right side. All are early checkmates, that is below 10 of. So total score reaches to 573. So Durga Prasad is playing very good for the Rani Trimal Devi Degree College. He won the 4 games and his score, individual score is 573 and team score, college score is 573. And the 5th player is Krishna. He is playing for the Kamse Degree College on black side. Now let us see how he is going to win, by early checkmate or not. So whether he continue the winning the early checkmate. So I think Krishna is the good player. So both of them. Then Durga Prasad, he opened knight. So let us see how this game finish. Then he moved pawn 1 step. Now Krishna also moved 1 step. Total 3 steps are over out of 70. Then he moved bishop. Then he moved pawn. So total 10 minutes for each player. This is a 10 minutes game. So the last game is playing by Durga Prasad. Continuously he won the 4 games. So if player win on white side, he can play continuously 5 games by one player also. So both all the teams of the 2 degree college, first time they are playing giraffe chess variant. That's why this is new. So that's why the black side player, they are out very easily. All the way he captured the rook, but that bishop is having threat with the giraffe. Oh my god, that Ravi didn't see that he can capture that corner bishop, white bishop by giraffe. So why? Because of giraffe jumps 3 plus 1, 4 squares that he can capture. So Durga Prasad, he moved giraffe. Yes, now he is looking back. Ravi, definitely he will see. Yes. Oh, that is wrong move. So yes, now he looks. Yeah. Now he came to know. He captured that bishop, white bishop. Now Durga Prasad, he lost his bishop on white side. So this is the last game for the Rani Trimal Devi Degree College. Durga Prasad, he won the 4 games continuously by the early checkmate. That is, early checkmate means white side player won the game by checkmate by capturing below 10 black pieces. So he will get total score of 143. Now he captured the black pawn. For that he got 4 points. The score reaches to 582. Rani Trimal Devi Degree College got 582. Then again he captured the black pawn. For that he got 4 points. The score reaches to 586. In the 10th move he scored the pawn 586. Still 60 moves are left for the white side to win the game. Why? Because of each game consists of only 70 moves. In 70 moves he has to finish the game by the white side. If 70 moves then blacks completed, the black side plays is the win and white side he will the lose. So the Durga Prasad, he has to try to win the game. So far 11 moves are over. Then he moved queen back, king back side. Now Durga Prasad, he is again trying for early checkmate, but it is not easy. Why? Because of the player Krishna, he might know the game some little bit good. So there is a threat is there for knight. So how to come over, or else he may lose the knight by the queen. Yes. Is thinking Krishna what he has to do. Yes, he moved again illegal. Yes, he moved pawn 1 step. Yes, he moved rook. Krishna is playing the 5th game, the final game for the Kamse Degree College. And Durga Prasad, he won the first 4 games and 5th game he is playing. Yes, he captured the black giraffe. For that he got 7 points. Durga Prasad's score is 597, and total in 14 steps over out of 70 steps. And Krishna is thinking what he moved. Yes, he moved pawn 1 step. Yes, he moved knight 1 step. Durga Prasad. So white side player is always trying to capture the black pieces and get the score. So after finishing of 5 games, whatever the white side player score, then black side team has to chase to win. So that is the important one. That is the unique feature of Giraffe chess tournaments. So far 5 centuries scored by the Durga Prasad in this. All 4 games by early checkmate. Now he captured knight. For that he got 6 points. So black side knight, if you capture by the white side player, he will get 6 points. Now Krishna is trying to play somewhat good and wisely, or earlier players they gave game below 20 moves by all early checkmates. He is trying to play long game. He moved pawn 1 step ahead. Yes, he captured bishop. 8 more points to the Durga Prasad. Total score reaches to 6 centuries, 611, and his individual score also 611. And he captured the rook by Krishna. 17 moves so far, Durga Prasad. Now the Rani Tirumal Devi, they scored 611. Durga Prasad, he played very intelligently and bravely, even though Giraffe chess is very new to this college players. They came forward to play this tournament. Pradhutu Town Level Degree College. Now you are watching match in Group B2. So Rani Tirumal Devi versus Kamsetti, and Durga Prasad is the player. He won the first early checkmate and second early checkmate, third game early checkmate, and fourth game also early checkmate, and the fifth game he is trying to do early checkmate, but it is not possible. So why? Because of Krishna, he is playing very brilliantly. So that's why already 19 moves are over. So Durga Prasad, his earlier plans not working out, so he has to play long game to win the game. So if you win the game by checkmate, means plus 10 to the all capturing score. If you win by crowning, that means if you take white king to the opponent end Giraffe place, only plus 10 will come. So let us see if Durga Prasad win this game by crowning, plus 10 to his score, or plus 50 his score by checkmate. So Durga Prasad, yes, he captured again pawn. For that he got 4 points. Total score is 615. Then he too captured Krishna white pawn, and Durga Prasad again is going to capture the black pawn. Yes, he captured the black pawn. 4 more points. Total 619 to the Rani Tirumal Devi Degree College in 22 steps. So out of 70, still 70 steps total, 60. So one more knight he moved. So this game, the fifth game, is not easy to win by Durga Prasad. So Krishna is playing also good players. In 4 more points to the Rani Tirumal Devi Degree College. He captured the pawn. His total score is 623 to the Rani Tirumal Devi Degree College. So in 24 moves, still so much game is there. So let us see, Prasanna will at least win this game to stop the highest score. So that they have to chase after finishing of this game like cricket. So here is the pin, one side queen and one side bishop. So he moved there. So he captured the high score, and queen he lost by the Krishna. So for that he got 9 points. The total score is 632 to the Rani Tirumal Devi Degree College. He captured the knight. Now Durga Prasad So much score has given to the Rani Tirumal Devi Degree College, 632. That means 6 centuries in 5 games. This is a very good game. Why? Because of if you win by early checkmate, 143 total score will come to the white side player. So far 4 games he got completely 573. Then again he captured black giraffe for that 7 points, 7 more points. The score reaches to 639 to the Rani Tirumal Devi. He too lost that. Then again he captured bishop, for that he got 8 points. Total score reaches to 647. 647 to the Rani Tirumal Devi Degree College. Now let us see what he will do. Yes, he captured knight. So 30 moves over. Total score reaches to 653 to the Rani Tirumal Devi Degree College. Very good score and the highest score in the degree college tournament. This score might be. Yes, he captured the pawn. Total score reaches to 657. 30 moves are over. This is the highest total. If you play very comfortably with all checkmates or early checkmates, a player will get a complete score, that is 143 into 5 is equal to 715. So one more. So he captured the rook. For that he got 5 points. So what one illegal. So if black side make player make illegal means +1 to the white side player. So in the third game he got 1 illegal. So the total 1 point still is extra bonus to the Rani Tirumal Devi. Total score is 662. So if we win all games by checkmate or early checkmate by capturing all black pieces, white side team or white side player will get the 715 score, is the highest score in G5 match, giraffe chess. So it is, this game is going to be almost end by that. Yes, he captured black pawn, the last pawn. So white side player, black side lost all the black pieces. Now if the Durga Prasad win by checkmate, he will get the total record score, Rani Tirumal Devi Degree College score, record score of maximum in G5, that is 715. So one more by bonus with illegal +1. So total score reaches to 715 if he win by checkmate. So he is Durga Prasad. He is trying to do win by checkmate. He is trying for checkmate because still so many moves are left over. So far 39 moves only he used. So if he win by this game also checkmate, the score total reaches to 716. This is the record score at college level, at to town level by the degree college, that too in the name of Durga Prasad. So Durga Prasad, he is create that record. He want to create that record means this game he has to win by checkmate. So he is trying. So only one step is left to the black side player. One side bishop is there, another side pawn is there, and on side queen is there. Now Durga Prasad thinking what he has to do. Only for 4 minutes left in time. Now Durga Prasad, he is trying to do. He create the record of town level record by winning all games on white side, and that too highest score. He want to give highest score to the Rani Tirumal Devi Degree College. Now he realized he took back into the game of rook. Why? Because of rook is the important piece to checkmate. So total 41 steps are over. So now Durga Prasad, he is going to use the rook. Yes, he is trying to check, but still there are so many vacancies are there, gaps are there. He can quit from the check, escape from the check, again check. Now Durga Prasad definitely he win this game by checkmate, not early checkmate. So already he captured all the pieces, 93 points he got. Now again check. So 93 plus 50, if he win this game by total score 143, he will get. The score reaches of Rani Tirumal Devi College record score in Produttur town level giraffe chess tournament. He is going to create a record. So this is the future target for any team to score. This one is little bit impossible. Why? Because of one illegal, he got +1 point. Yes, he won by checkmate. So the +50, 93 +50, total score is 716 to the Rani Pramodi because record score by Durga Prasad. He scored 716, not out in one of two